How's it going, guys? I'm Coach Sean, and today we're going to cook some homemade chicken shish kebabs. All fresh ingredients, very simple, super easy to make. So we're going to start by dicing a chicken. That's already done. You can buy it pre-diced, totally up to you. And then we're going to go into the mixing ingredients, grill that for 12 to 15 minutes, job done. Today we're going to serve it with a homemade slaw. We're going to make that after this one, so let's get to it. So now we're going to make the marinating ingredients, everything nice and simple. We're going to go straight in with 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt. Ideally, you want to marinate this overnight, but if you've not got time, 1 hour is absolutely fine. 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. What we're going to do is just squeeze straight in. Roughly a tablespoon. 2 cloves of garlic minced. So you want to chop this garlic down as fine as possible, or even mince it. So this is such an easy one because everything's just in one bowl. We mix it. So now we're going to throw all the spices in. We're going to go 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Just going to eyeball that in there, roughly a teaspoon. Get this nice and spicy. Then roughly a teaspoon of ground cumin. These flavors and spices really make the dish. Then a bit of paprika. You can use any paprika, but I prefer the smoked for this. Just gives it that nice little flavor. So there we go, there's all the ingredients. The olive oil, the garlic, the yogurt, and all the spices. And then we're just gonna go straight in. No messing. You have to get your hands dirty here. Straight in with the chicken. And really coat that. So there we go. I'm gonna cover that in cling film, put it in the fridge for at least 1 hour, and then we're ready to cook. So now that's marinated for at least 1 hour. There you can see it, everything's nicely coated. Some of the flavors are soaked into the chicken. We're gonna thread it onto some skewers. I like to use metal skewers. The wooden ones are okay, but you have to soak them before because they can burn. It's just easier to use metal skewers, and you can keep on using them as well. Just wash them, use them over and over. So we're just gonna thread that on, try and get it right in the middle of the chicken. No exact science. Roughly got 200 grams of chicken here, makes 2 skewers, perfect. So now I'm going to put these in the oven, 200 degrees, fan assisted, for roughly 15 to 18 minutes, but I'll always check that the meat's cooked thoroughly throughout. So now we're going to turn the skewers over, just so you can see how they're getting golden brown there. We want both sides nice and golden brown. We're about halfway through already. You want to make sure you use something to turn the skewers because this is going to be hot. So now we're going to take the chicken out. It should be lovely and golden and brown. You want to test the temperature of the meat inside, make sure it's cooked as well. So now that's done. We've tested the temperature, it's cooked throughout, and it's a lovely golden brown colour. So we're going to serve this with the homemade slaw. If you want to watch the video on how to make that, it's just up here.